as the St. Kitts and Nevis government's commitment to renewable energy and sustainable development, we are so pleased to announce the launch of our solar PV empowerment training, which will be held in collaboration with the Ministry of Education, AVEC, Green Solutions International, and the Elevate program. This training is open to 50 individuals across both islands. The training will include solar installation, electrical safety, renewable energy systems, and leave our participants with the foundations to enter the green workforce. As we prepare our people for the transition to green energy for the future of St. Kitts and Nevis, please, we invite you to join, register at the Elevate offices on the Bay Road for this important program that begins July 21st. Registration opens from July 7th. Be part of this national movement. Let's power our islands together.